Okay, today we're going to look at some division word problems and talk about some of the difficulty you may be having solving these problems. Now let's assume that you already know how to divide and that you can do the computation correctly. So I have the computation listed on the right of the problem in red. But there's more to division than just working it out. You see, you have to know which part of the answer that each problem's asking for. So that's what we're going to talk about. Let's look at this problem. A builder needed to buy 207 nails for his latest project. If the nails he needs come in boxes of 19, how many boxes will he need to buy? Well, I need to understand that when you're buying things, sometimes you have to bump it up. And what I mean by that is, for instance, if I was going to buy the class some ice cream treats and they came in packages of 12, well, if I have 26 kids in the class, I can't just buy 2 packages because that would be 24, and then 2 people would be left out and they'd be upset. So some of the time when you need to buy things, you need to bump it up. So we're going to look at this problem. He has 207 nails divided by 19. 207 divided by 19. The answer is 10, remainder 17. Well, if I just put the quotient, which is 10, I won't have enough. Because 10 times 19 is 190, and that's not 207, so that wouldn't be right. So I'm going to bump it up, even though I've got some left over. This is a bump up. It's a bump up, so I'll have enough. Bump up, so you won't leave it out. Bump it up. And so that what we call is a quotient plus 1. So you're taking this quotient and you're bumping it up. So the answer is going to be 11. Let's look at the next problem. A movie theater needed 689 popcorn buckets. If each package has 19 buckets in it, how many packages will they need to buy? Once again, you have something where you're buying, and you've got to have at least 689. So if you do your computation, you're going to come up with 689 divided by 19 equals 36, remainder 5. Well, if I just do 36, I won't have enough, because what I'm going to do with this leftover over here, see, it's got to equal 689 if I were to multiply it back. 19 times 36 is not going to give you 689. So I can bump it up. This one again is going to be quotient plus 1. So my answer is going to be 36 plus 1, which is 37. A company has 36 employees and ordered 770 uniforms for them. If they wanted to give each employee the same number of uniforms, how many more should they order so it doesn't have any extra? Well, for this problem, we're going to look at the words how many more. That means that if you've got a remainder, you've got to figure out how many more you need so you'd have another full set. So what we call that is divisor minus remainder. And my divisor is 36 and my remainder is 14. So I go 36 subtract 14, and my answer is going to be 22. So these are 2 of the problems that you might have working division problems, understanding that sometimes it's not just the quotient you're looking for, and sometimes it's not just the remainder you're looking for, but the 2 that you're especially going to have to pay attention to are the ones where you have to bump it up so you have enough. That means you take the quotient plus 1, or the ones that say how many more, which means you take the divisor, subtract your remainder, and you get how many more you need to make a whole.